Hi, Blake here with another review of this Nuttii, whatever, coffee grinder. So you have a lot of flexibility in terms of what kind of granularity you want. So, wait, what was I using before? Oh, there it is. So this little hash mark on the side shows you what setting you're selecting. So you have your espresso, which is going to be ultra fine, all the way through French press. So what I'm going to do is a really small sample on the highest and lowest. So let me go ahead. Well, let's go ahead and put this on first. And I'll show you how it works. So what we're going to do. I'm not actually planning on making anything with it right now, so I don't want to waste too many of my beans. But let's go ahead and give this a go. So what you do is, so on, off, and okay. So pretty coarse, and that's what we were looking for, because again, that was on the, sorry, I was getting alert and not paying attention. That was on the, like, pour over setting. Now let's do espresso. Okay. Okay, not good. Sorry, I know I keep putting my phone down. Ooh, I don't think I did that one right. Give me a sec. Okay, so I was a little mistaken on how this hash mark works because it rotates as it grinds. So what you'll see here is the coarse and fine in the direction you want to turn it. So what I did was turn it as far as I could fine, and it made this really fine, almost powder that's going to be good for espresso, and then I had it much higher for the coarser. So I think what these numbers tell you is how many clicks to do. So since we're all the way to the fine side, I think it's 1 through, no through 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we should get, yeah, let's go 9, 10. So that's like a nice medium, and then we have our, almost knocked it off the counter here, super fine for espresso. So yeah, really nice. Love the design, love the portability of it. Very nicely made. I would, if you're a true coffee aficionado or something like that, then yeah, I think it's great for you. Me personally, I mostly use pods, but occasionally I will actually use my espresso machine, so this is going to be perfect for that.
All right, so I got the portable coffee grinder. This thing is pretty cool. I did open this before, but I put it back in just to show you a quick unboxing. Package actually worked nicely. Got instructions, certification, I guess quality control. But here is the coffee grinder. It's pretty straightforward. I mean, it's small. It seems like it's good quality. It's got a little weight to it. It's actually perfect size if you're going on vacation or something like that. Simple operation. You got your power on, O, and power off, X. Very simple. It gives you a battery gauge too, so you know how much power you have left. It is USB-C rechargeable. They give you a wire, and they also give you this little cleaning brush, which is pretty cool. Oops, sorry, I bumped the camera. But yeah, I mean, it's very simple. Open it up. Let me get rid of this box. But you're going to put your coffee inside, close it back up, grind it up, and on the bottom, it unscrews, and this is where all your ground beans are going to collect. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. You have different settings for how fine or coarse you want to grind your coffee, which is pretty cool, and it gives you the narrative too. If you're doing like a French press, espresso, whatever it is you're doing, but pretty versatile, easy to use, quality made, like it a lot.
terrible. Absolutely terrible.